I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be roasting ancient peppers in the air fryer. So all we need is ancient peppers. I already washed them before making the video. We get olive oil for roasting and any seasonings you like. I'm just going to use salt and pepper. And I'm going to start by slicing off the stem. And I'm going to cut the ancient pepper in half. And I will remove the seeds. So I'd like to leave it in bigger pieces, but just cut it in half like this. So that's how I like to keep the pieces of those ancient peppers for roasting. And I'm going to slice the rest of the peppers. So here are my prepared sliced ancient peppers. And I'm going to add a little olive oil, about a tablespoon or so. And sprinkle it with my seasonings. So again, you can use any seasonings you like. Feel free to be creative. I'll just keep it simple and just sprinkle with some salt and black pepper. And now toss so the peppers are coated with oil and seasonings. And now let's take out the air fryer basket. Put prepared ancient peppers in a basket. And put it in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 11 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these roasted ancient peppers. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. So let's take the peppers out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look how good they look. And it was so easy. Just put them in the air fryer, and air fryer does all the work for you. It's so much quicker and easier than the oven. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love roasted peppers. They taste so delicious. Perfect roasted flavor, so tender, so flavorful. In case if you were wondering how ancient peppers taste, they're not spicy. They actually taste pretty close to bell peppers, but they're just more sweet and more tender, and they cook quicker. So good. If you haven't tried ancient peppers, I highly recommend, and this is a perfect recipe to try them. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!